morning, everyone. Jalingo's word of the week is Gaza, Gaza Empire, and Gaza Dose. This is the hometown of the very popular dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, aka World Boss, and it is located in Portmore, St. Catherine. Other meanings include a state in Israel, Palestine called the Gaza Strip. The term is commonly used to refer to an individual or gang which stands their ground even if it requires the use of violence. Gaza Empire is the group name for Vybz Kartel's crew, which included popular artists such as Popcaan, Ja Vinci, Tommy Lee, Black Rhino, and others, and of course the World Boss himself. You may hear the term Gaza being used in situations such as this. Where you come from, John? We come from the Gaza. This actually means, where are you from, John? And John responds, I am from Portmore. You remember this song?
Empire Universe. The teacher.
Related words are Portmore, Portmore City, as well as Waterford, which is an area within Portmore. Remember to download the exclusive Jalingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Alright, that's what's happening in that thing right there.
Yeah.
Oh. Come on, man.